Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanand from English with Bless Vlog. Guys, today I am here to tell you how to become fluent in English. I don't know what you do to become fluent in English, whether you are taking classes or you are watching videos or you are studying somewhere else. But see, in order to become fluent in English, guys, this is the reality. You have to speak, you have to open your mouth. This is my experience, and here I'm going to tell you something about this. Actually, when I started learning English, that time I was zero. Even I didn't know how to read, how to write, and let alone speaking. And that time I was confused that how do I learn English, because as I live in village area, here there is no environment, there is no institute, there is no teacher. But I had dream to become fluent in English, to learn this language. Even I didn't have any book so that I can read that book, so that I can increase my vocabulary and sentence structure. I didn't have anything, but I made up my mind to learn this language. So whenever I got time, I just try to learn. That time I didn't have mobile, so one day I went to my friend's home and I saw he had one grammar book. So I took that grammar book from him. He said to me, yeah, you can take, because I am not interested in learning English. And you can understand that in village area no one is interested in learning English. So only I was there who wanted to learn English. That time literally I didn't know anything. So I started my English journey with that grammar book. So I didn't learn English being consistent. I was not consistent. Whenever I got time, I just started flipping the page. I was not able to understand what was written in that book. But I don't know why something was there who made me learn English. So I started. Literally guys, I am telling you, if I talk about my qualifications, so there is nothing. You must be thinking you must be telling a lie. But yes, it's a reality. I never ever went to school and let alone college. Even I didn't have any friend who could guide me saying that yes, you should do this, you should do that. But I had this dream. So I don't know why I was too much fascinated about this language. Finally I started my journey with this grammar book. First that time I was nothing, and that time I didn't know how to learn English. I was confused. So I was mugging up some sentences. I'm going, she is coming, like that. That time I didn't know tenses, let alone all other things. But I tried a lot, but I failed. And one day I finally gave up, thinking that oh, it's not my cup of tea. It's really very difficult. And how can I mug up million sentences to become fluent in English? It's not my cup of tea, and I gave up. And I started doing work, and I started working in my field, and I started grazing the fellows. I have been grazing the fellows since my childhood. Still you can see so many fellows are grazing behind me. But one day I realized that now I have grown up, so I should do something. So I found one job for me, and I started doing work in a company. In that company I was humiliated, I was pushed, and at the same time I was not treated well. I thought, is this my life? Like wherever I go, people treat me as an animal because I'm not educated. So I realized that, oh, without education, you are not gonna be respected in this life. People think you are a leveler, you are an animal. Then I thought at a time that now I am going to do something. I have some time. It's never too late. Then again I thought, oh, I had one dream to become fluent in English. So why shouldn't I start my that dream again? Then I earned money and I bought this mobile. Anyhow, I managed to bought this mobile, and with the help of that mobile, first I learned tenses. Then I started practicing. After learning tenses, I spoke a lot. Whatever I did, I spoke. Whatever I was doing, I was just speaking. Whatever I felt, I spoke. Then I completed other structure like passive, then causative, then conditional, modal, and some other word, some other structures. And then I started speaking a lot, and I didn't have partner that time, so I was helpless. So whenever I got time, I started speaking by myself, and in the bed I used to think in my mind that, okay, what happened today with me, what will I do tomorrow, and what I do every day, what my friend does every day. Like this, I started describing all the things surrounded by me. And of course, by this way I realized that yes, now I am able to speak something. So why shouldn't I make a YouTube account? Then I created YouTube account, and where I found so many YouTubers. They were also learning English that time, and I started connecting with them. I started having conversation with them. I was too shy. Uh, so, I was not comfortable to face other YouTubers, but I started. I didn't thought, okay, I didn't think that, okay, they are fluent, I'm not, how can I face them? But without thinking anything, I started facing them, and from there I removed my hesitation, I threw my shyness, and I became totally confident. Now by doing this, now I am in front of you, I am speaking in English. The boy who didn't even know how to use mobile, and today I'm not only using a mobile, a smart mobile, but also I'm just making videos here. So your habit can change you. You can't. So you guys, your habit can change you. So make habit. Of course, at the beginning it's hard not to crack, but later on that your this habit will change your life. See guys, earlier I was humiliated as I told you, but now people respect me. Wherever I go, people say, oh, I have seen you in, I have watched your videos. Wow, you are such a lovely. Even at my home and in my village, I haven't seen anyone speaking in English except me. So I think I have achieved so much. So guys, now it's your turn. Show the people who you are. Of course you can do. Just all you have to do is make your mind, guys. So guys, thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will motivate you, guide you, and boost your level.